Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in time and work. See friends, Manoj can type 100 pages in 10 hours. That means in 1 hour, Manoj can type 100 by 10, that is equal to 10 pages. In 5 hours, Manoj can type 5 into 10, 50 pages. Because Manoj and Bobby worked for 5 hours. Similarly, Bobby can type 100 pages in 15 hours. That means Bobby can type 100 by 15 pages in 1 hour. That is 5 threes, 5 20s, 20 by 3. So, Bobby can type 20 by 3 pages in 1 hour. Bobby worked for 5 hours. So, Bobby can type 5 20s, 100 by 3 pages. See friends, this is the work done by 50 pages Manoj, 100 by 3 pages Bobby, and the remaining pages, total pages 100 minus these two, 50 plus 100 by 3. 100 minus 350 is 150 plus 100, 250 by 3. So 300 minus 250, 50 by 3. So this is the work done by Manoj. This is the work done by Bobby. This is the work done by Lucky. So now the total amount they got is 2400. We want the share of Lucky. See friends, their sharing ratio 50 is to 100 by 3 is to the work done by Lucky 50 by 3. So LCM 350s, 150 is to 100 is to 50. This is equal to 53s, 52s, 51s. So they have to divide the amount in the ratio 3 is to 2 is to 1. We want a share of Lucky. So total 2400 by 6 parts. 6 parts, 3 plus 2 plus 6 parts into we want the share of Lucky into 1. 6 400s. 6 400s. So Lucky gets 400 friends.